Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo fire sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Leo and what's going on? Oh my god. I think you decided to cut off person from your life. This could be a past person. So I think you decided to cut off this person. And Ace of Swords, maybe you came to know the truth about this person recently. So you want to end things with this person. You stand by your power. So let's see. For some there is truth and truth communication is coming with clarity. So the reading recent past, 5 of Wands, 9 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles. There was a lot of drama is going between you and your person in past. Lot of drama and you fed up with that energy. You guarded up. You are no more available to them emotionally because you want to protect your emotions because there is a lot of drama. But you concentrated on your career. You are getting financial stability is here. Material success. Then present Hangman, 10 of Cups and Queen of Swords. You want this happiness from your person, but it is not happening right now. You stuck on, literally you are getting a lot of thoughts, but you undergoing some spiritual awakening, Leo. Then you decided it is not happening, there is no point to continue. That's why you decided to cut off this person from your life because Queen of Swords energy. Queen of Swords always straightforwarded in nature. They always want best, they deserve best. So you decided to cut off this person from your life. So then future, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands and Page of Wands. There is lot of Page of Swords, sorry. Lot of spying is going. Your person may be watching you, wondering you about you a lot. There is a lot of spying. Maybe your person is immature. For some, children's also involved in this connection. For some, it could be third party situation also. So I am seeing two persons coming towards you. You have to decide which one. One could be past person, one could be new, but I am seeing two person. One is in very slow moving energy and another could be very fast moving, and this person is very attracted to you. And this is very slow moving, but this person is very serious about you. So you have to decide which one your past and which one is your new person. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, but very less water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. And Hangman, they also stuck on you. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Leo. Okay. Hangman. Hanged Woman. Two cards, that's why I'm not taking. Devil. Maybe this person is toxic for you. And Ace of Swords, yeah, truth coming out and some communication is coming. So they want this happiness with you, but this person may be toxic for you, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. So they obsessed with you. There is a lot of obsession. For some, your person is very dominative in this connection. So for some, there is no commitment. For some, you both could be twin flames also. So let's see their actions towards you, Leo. again Ace of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. Wow. See, under the deck, Seven of Swords. Maybe for some this person playing games with you, mind games especially. Maybe this connection is very deceptive for you, toxic for you. Because Seven of Swords with Devil card, there is something sneaky in this connection. Maybe they are hiding something from you. Ace of Swords. So they want to express the truth to you. And Eight of Pentacles with Eight of Wands. There is lots of communication is coming. Now they really want to work on this relationship. But again, I'm telling you, maybe for some this person is sneaky for you. You know your situation more than me. So if really your person is toxic for you, maybe they're putting you in third party situation, then there is no point to give another chance to your person. If there are only small misunderstandings, then it is okay. But you are involved in third party situation, maybe two marriages or two relationships, it is very toxic for both of you, especially for you. So now they want to work on this relationship and lots of communication is coming. But again, this is a red flag. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Leo. That's why you cut off this person from your life. Because they are sneaky, they hurt you in past. And but they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. They are missing you. They're thinking about you a lot. Nine of Swords. And the Lovers, now they realize your worth. Maybe for some your person is physically attracted to you. It is more than physical than emotional. So let's see. But you stand by your power. You are very grounded. But Seven of Wands, you are juggling maybe past one, a new one is coming for some two persons coming towards you. So which one you have to choose? There is some juggling in you. But you stand by your power. You don't depend on anyone, either emotionally or financially. And you are very defensive also. It's up to you. Decision is in your hands, Leo. But there is communication with clarity is coming and you are feeling stuck. I think you both are stuck. This is mutual card because you both got hanged man, hanged woman card. So you both are stuck. Right now there is no movement in this connection. In near future definitely they will approach through communication. Lots of communication is coming. And again Two of Swords. You both are at some crossroads. You both are stuck. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. Or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Leo. Maybe you are also thinking about them. Your financial stability is coming. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. There is some communication is coming. For some, one person is younger than the other person in this connection. There is some age difference between both of you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Lot of drama. There are also some at some crossroads. They want to take this relationship to next level and they are very passionate about you and they are very grounded and attractive person also, your person also. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Leo. True love. Past person return. Yes, two persons are coming. For some it could be only one. It depends on your situation totally. You are pure perfection. Religious factors. For some, religious factors are also influencing this connection. Reunion is coming and family issues. Religious factors and family issues are affecting this relationship. So the messages are reunion is coming, true love, past person return, you are pure perfection, religious factors. These are the messages. Yeah, right now they will approach you in near future. Then it is totally up to you. Because right now you both are stuck. For some who accept the past person, there will be reunion between both of you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. The end of your tough cycle approaches. Take time to breathe out. Two cards are came. So the end of your tough cycle approaches, especially full moon in Capricorn, and take time to breathe out. So if you are busy in your work, so this is the time to take some time for you, and the end of your tough cycle is approaches. These are the messages for you, Leo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.